The man that's ganging up by birds. Oh my God. Washington D.C. Oh crap. That.
No, that's a girl. There's no way that's a guy with blonde hair.
Listen, now they're coming back.
They're just circling around. They're circling around, and then they're like, we found her. Find X.
Go find X.
That's like artillery strike, yeah. She's getting so much game. This is Washington.
Gotta be kidding me.
Yeah, we probably did. Random person.
That's what I am.
Shut up, John.
Thanks for
I'm gonna put this on Facebook, yeah. I'm gonna put this on Facebook. I'm gonna put this on Facebook.
Congratulations.
You're approved. Hey, look, I'm standing here with the 44th president of the United States. No, I'm just playing. I got this on tape a long time ago.
Oh my God. Yeah, like obviously. You're a tourist.
Wasn't that a guy?
How about tourist?
Look, United States president.
How about terrorist? Because I'm Spanish. That's completely a guy. Yeah.
No.
It was a girl.